17. Field sport technique.
You fucking serious? Whoa! What the fuck was that? That's gotta be dash cams, right? Can we get that on dash cams?
The Bureau says purse in for a scorcher, but not for Kate from Cottesloe. The Spectre Nano ceramic tint she got a tinter car for a new hatchback will block out the worst of it with expert installation and a lifetime warranty. Kate says the kids now call the school.
You absolute fucking prick!
Protect your car, protect your home. Tinter car protects best.
You fucking wanker!
Breaking up was hard.
Day the Artist Sessions is out today in your ears. It features Delta, Jessica Malboy, Darren Hayes, Guy Sebastian, Ella Hooper. I love Ella Hooper. You got Shepherd, Jack Jones, Courtney Act.
John Stevens, I mean, come on, guys. Thank you! Thank you! What are you doing? What do you do?
Down here, catch the feeling.
Fuck!
Fuck, mate. It's green, bro.
It's green!
Come on, mate.
Jesus, fuck me. You fucking kidding me?
Yes.
So that's pretty much all that they're doing. It's just banter. There's nothing going on out there on the track. As I said, if it does happen anywhere, they're not going to do it, right there. Off the SMS, Canara Cowboy from Townsville. What could be
What's this car doing?
My God, stop, stop.
To what to call this package and how to dress it. It's surprising how easy it is. Although there is a little corner taking, we've all aged gracefully, and it's a process that is mainly diva-free. The big tree and its splinters is a suggestion, but eventually we go with an idea of...
Oh, fuck. Jono just whacked his head.
Holy fucking shit, cunt.
Oh yeah, that was close. I gave him a dude as well.
Should I have even opened? Fucking A. Are you fucking kidding?
Head north on North Street.
Yep. Those guys weren't doing 15, I'll tell you that much. Dickhead. Super dickhead. The 440 plus one.
Holy shit!
Oh!
That was a bit fucking close.